Hi guys, so this is the first video lecture tutorial on this Cisco packet tracer, in which we will discuss about some topologies like bus topology, star topology or mesh topology. So for downloading the software, I will just give you link in the description box where you can download the software. So like this is a NetApp website from which you can also download officially, but you have to complete a course for that. And I will give you the link by which you can click on this download and it will get downloaded in your system. After that, click on confirm guest login and then confirm guest and just open this software. So I will discuss about some topology. So what is topology? Topology is like a configuration in which all the networks are connected and which forms interconnected pattern network elements. So in the star topology, all the computers connected with the help of a hub, and which forms a configuration like this. This is a star topology. All the sides are computers and in the middle this is a hub. So like hub is basically a multi-port repeater, and hub connects multiple wires coming from different devices. So after that this comes bus topology. Bus topology uses a single cable, which is also called the spine for this all the networks, and all these computers are connected with these cables only. Then the point comes mesh topology. So mesh topology is a topology like every computer is connected to each other. You can see in this connection every computer is connected to one another PCs. Every PC is connected to every other. And there is also a topology like hybrid topology. This is a combination of one or two topology. If you will mix bus or mesh or bus or a star or mesh or any other topology, then it will create a hybrid topology and it will form a design like this. This is called a hybrid topology. So let us discuss by doing some practical, like how we will create a star topology, bus topology or mesh topology. So as we discussed that star topology in which a computer is connected by hub. So this is a Cisco packet tracer software, and this is in network devices, and this is in devices in which every kinds of PCs are there. So click on this network devices, click on hub and just drag and drop on the screen. After that, take some devices. So I am now creating a star topology. Any devices you can take, laptop, computers, everything will be same. So I will give you some link, or I will give you in the description that for connecting this hub to PC you will use this copper straight wire. You can see here the name is coming. Click on this copper wire, click on PC fast Ethernet 0 and this first number. Click on PC 0 fast Ethernet 0 and this first number. So likewise you can connect. Let me connect this fastly. Okay, so we have done. So now you can see here is a cursor, you will click on this below the simulation real-time button. You will click on this, it will open a dialog box in which you can see the result that whether the packet sent successfully or not. But in this case, if you will send, then it will show that it has no functional ports. This message because we haven't assigned any IPs yet. So let's assign some IPs for this. So click on this computer, click on desktop, click on IP configuration, and let us give a random IP 192.168.0.1. click on the subnet mask, it will automatically fetch, and click on this cut, it will save. If you will hover on this like mouse, you can see that here is fast Ethernet 0 IP is coming. Click on PCs first, and likewise you can assign the IPs to every computers. .5 and subnet mask. Okay, so we have done this. Now if you will try to send a packet, you can see successful message, means packet is being sent from one PC to another PC, or you can send from this to this or this to this, everything will be successful. So we have done this. This is a star topology. You can see a star like configuration is there. Now let us create a mesh topology. So mesh topology is like example like this. So this is a mesh topology, and in the beginning I told you that mesh topology is like every computer is connected to every computer. So let us create some like same design like that. Click on these devices, click on switches, and bring this switch. We will use 4 switches here to create design of mesh topology. Now let us bring some PCs. You can use laptop or computers or PCs, anything. So for this device also I will use these 2 computers. So you can see from switch to switch, when you will connect, then you will have to use in the wire section this cross wire, and for this computer to switch you will use a straight wire. Click on this straight wire and fast Ethernet 0, and click on this fast Ethernet 01. Same connect with this. Likewise you can connect fast Ethernet 0 switch. This upper one you have to choose. Fast Ethernet 0, fast Ethernet 02, fast Ethernet 01. Okay, so now we have connected this, and from switch to switch we will use this copper wire. Okay, so we have done this configuration. Now if we send packet, then same as this first this start topology, it will create it will open a dialog box and will show that you have not IP is not set up. Let us check by sending message. You can see no functional ports. So this is a mesh topology. So let us assign some IPs all for this. So till what IP we have done? 0.4, 0.5 we have done. So from 0.6 we will start. Zero 0.6 for this, 0.7 in a series I am giving, so that it will not create confusion, because if you will ping, just I am sending this packet and looking at the dialog box, but if you would like to check by pinging a computer, then you must have to remember the IP address of all the computers. so it would be nice to give in series. So let us check. So this is 7 we have done, so give this as 8. Nine, 10, 'So every connection we have done, and yes. So now let us check by sending packets. You can see successful message, or from this to this successful, from this to this successful. So everything is now successful. This is a mesh topology design. Now let us create a bus topology. So in the beginning I told you that bus is a topology like single cable includes all the nodes, means all the connections include only in single cable. So I will use 3 hubs for this cable. In the network devices, click on hub and drag and drop these hubs, and for connecting hubs you will use this copper crossover wire you will use. And now let us take some end devices also. You can see there is a single cable and every computers will be connected to that. This is formed like a spine of all these branches. And for this connection from hub to PC you will use this copper straight wire. Okay, so I have connected all these computers. Oh, I have done this wrong. PC 13 I will connect this 0 to first. Okay, so we have done this. Now in this also we will have to assign IP addresses. So till 0.12 we have done. So let us assign IP address 13. Why this IP needed in this upcoming video, you will learn about that. So this is a we have done till, if you will hover on this and you can see the IP address you have given on this 15 we have given. The IP address depends upon you. You can also give any IP address according to your choice. I am just giving random IP address, you can also give, but in giving in series will give some advantage in remembering these IP addresses. So now let us check by sending packets. You can see successful message there. So this is a configuration of bus topology. Now the thing comes, like we have discussed a star topology, mesh topology and bus topology. Now if we want to connect this all together, if we connect all this together, then this will create a hybrid topology. So how we will connect this? So for connecting this, we will just connect switch to hub or this switch to this hub, then it will automatically form a hybrid topology. So for connecting hubs to switch, you will just use a this copper crossover wire. Click on this hub and click on switch. Again click on this copper wire, choose the upper one. Now if you would like to send the packet from this to this will show. Okay, so this will let us check again. Okay, so till this arrow will not be green, you cannot send the packets, and wait for 4 to 5 seconds, and after that you try to send the packet. Like this is not in color, green color, so this means that connection is not happening right now. But now this, you can see this connection is started. Now if you will send the packet, it will show successful, means you can send from this to this will show successful. And this hub also, if you will send from this to this will show successful message. So this is a hybrid. This full combination of all these is called a hybrid topology. So in this video we have discussed about star, mesh and bus and hybrid topology. So in the upcoming video lecture I will bring for combination of two routers and of everything we will see, and we will know about IP addresses also, we will get to know, don't worry about that. So hope you like this video, and share with also other friends also, so that they can also get the benefit from this video. So see ya.